Hello lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make this natural bomb liver cleansing drink. So guys, this liver cleansing juice is so easy to make. All you need to do is get your ingredients ready and you can make this healthy juice in just a minute. This drink you're seeing on your screen has a lot of health benefits, especially if you're a smoker, you drink, like basically the kind of food we consume these days and the environment we find ourselves. I bet you really need this pure natural drink to keep you refreshed, hydrated, detoxify your liver, and keep you healthy all day. So if you're stumbling on this video for the first time, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video, and turn on your notification bell. Let's get started, guys. So for today's recipe, I'll be using these three major ingredients. These ingredients you're seeing here are beetroot, carrots, and lemon. These are the three major ingredients. If you want to cleanse your liver, all you need to get is these three major ingredients. That's all. They are purely natural. They are just vegetables, pure vegetables. It's so natural. So guys, if you want to try it out, you can try it out. Just get your beetroot, your carrot, and your lemon. So I call this a natural bomb because they are powerful recipes and it cleanses and detoxifies your entire body. So before preparing the juice, I'll tell you a bit about the health benefits of these ingredients. So guys, this one right here is beetroot. This is how beetroot looks like in case you want to purchase yours. Beetroot on its own is a very powerful ingredient. It is packed with essential nutrients. It has a great source of fiber, folate, iron, manganese, and vitamin C. It helps improve blood flow. It increases your blood. It increases your PCV. That's your packed cell volume. And it also lowers blood pressure. For those people who have blood pressure, you can go ahead and take beetroot drink. It is very good for blood pressure. It reduces it a lot. So this is carrot. Carrot is one of the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. We all know that carrot is a very wonderful vegetable because it has a beta carotene, which is good for the skin and also strengthen the bones. So lemon, we'll be using lemon. Lemon is something we should all have in our homes. Like for those that wants to lose weight, you can also always drink a glass of lemon water. It prevents kidney stones, protects against anemia, it reduces cancer risks, and also improves digestive health. So lemon is a very powerful ingredient, guys. So when you want to combine this ingredient together, you can use it to cleanse your liver. Just combine the three ingredients and use it to cleanse your liver. I'll just go ahead and scrape it now. I've already washed these carrots, but I'll just go ahead and scrape it to be on the safe side, guys. So if you're about to prepare yours, all you need to do is wash it and scrape it neatly. So if at this point you're still here, it means you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and please turn on your notification bell for more recipes. I'll just go ahead and peel it and cut it. So guys, now the next thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and peel off my beetroot. I'll just go ahead and cut my beetroot into tiny chunks. I'm peeling it off right now. All I want to do is peel it neatly, guys. I'm sorry about the background noise. If you can hear any background noise, it's from my kids. I'm sorry because it's their holiday, so they're not going to school. They're at home, so you know how it is with kids at home. So sorry about the background noise, guys. I'm just cutting it out right now into tiny bits. I really have to take my time and cut this because of my blender. My blender is not that powerful, guys. So basically, after cutting everything, I'm still going to blend it. I'll go ahead and cut my carrots now. I'll also cut it into tiny pieces. I'm actually showing you guys all the steps so that in case you want to prepare your drink, you go ahead and follow these steps. Guys, I really want you to try this drink out, please. You really need to detoxify your liver. You really need it. You need to cleanse it. So these are just pure natural vegetables. We eat carrots every day. Some of us we eat carrots every day. Beetroot is it's just a normal, like a normal ingredient in the market where you can purchase it. And lemon, we all know lemon. So guys, the most powerful ingredient in this recipe is beetroot. You really need beetroot for this. If you want to cleanse your liver, purify your blood, you need beetroot. I'm still cutting my carrots now, basically. I said I really have to take them and cut them into tiny chunks so that it will be easy for me to blend. So guys, you really have to try out this drink. I bet you really have to try this drink. This drink is amazing. The result you get from having this drink every day, not like every day, you can decide to have it twice a week. Just make it, store it in your fridge, take it chilled twice a week and watch it cleanse your liver. You feel a different type of way after taking this drink. I bet you. So I'm just going to pack everything now and put them in my blender. I want to blend them now, guys, but I need to add some water so it can blend freely. Now, these things are, beetroot on its own is hard, carrot is hard, so you really have to put a little bit of water so you don't spoil your blender. I'm just going to go ahead now and blend it. Add little water, blend it, guys. I can't wait to have this drink. This drink is just looking so yummy already. I can't wait to have it. Can't wait to cleanse my liver. Try this recipe twice a week. Drink it twice a week. And tell me how the results is in the comment section. So guys, I'm done blending, but I'll just give it a little stir, add more water and still blend it. I need a smooth paste because I'm not going to sieve the chaff out. I'm actually going to drink everything, eat up the chaff and all of it. So if you know that you're going to sieve out, you can blend it. It's not necessarily you get a very smooth paste. So guys, but I love eating everything up as it is. Drink it, eat it. So I'm just going to blend it into a very smooth paste. Although it will be thick, the consistency will be thick. And don't forget, while blending, if the consistency is so thick, you can add a little bit of water and still blend it. So you can see my beetroot, carrot, and lemon juice right here. I've finished blending it. I'll just pour it inside my glass cup and take it. I can't wait for this thing to go down inside my tummy. Wow, it's looking so amazing. Like so yummy right now. I'll just go ahead and turn it, and then I'm going to squeeze out my lemon in it. If you're making a glass, just squeeze half a lemon inside of it. Lemon will give it a different taste entirely. So I'll just go ahead and squeeze the lemon inside, and I'll give it a little stir. This is looking very yummy now. Remember, I said you can decide to sieve yours, but for me, I take it just the way it is. I don't want to take out anything. I eat the chaff, drink the juice. So you can decide to decorate yours with lemon. You can decide not to. It all depends on what you want. But the most important thing is you've got your drink in your glass cup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my video. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.